At Buro Happold, we are moving into a new era for our communications. Last year, we refreshed our brand and established our essence. This has galvanized the business and moved us into a stronger position. Building on that energy, our 2020 vision is now backed up with a game plan and scorecards. We are also driving new processes and fresh thinking into our business operations and the growth of our people. And the new push forward from marketing will reveal a raft of 7 new, exciting initiatives. It's time to build distinctiveness and character into our brand and positioning, and time to put distance between us and our competitors. Practically, this move also carries many benefits. Over the coming year, we will begin a digitised approach to the way we manage and hold all of the information and images that feed our communications and bids. This will reduce duplication of effort, increase visibility, and better leverage the material we create, working closely with IT to deliver us into a connected digital era. One of our challenges has been the communication of service offers. Ideally, they represent what we want to sell, collections of differentiated, connected specialisms to better answer our clients' problems. The business imperative is that these are usually more profitable and of greater scale than specialisms sold in isolation. And this connectedness also opens the path to more exciting, cutting-edge solutions. So we are developing a tool to visually explain the concept. And we're giving it a name: Enginuity. Here's how it works. A visitor to our website will be able to select the scale of their project, choose their area of interest, and their preferred project approach. This populates a mandala with a core Enginuity offer. View the result and instantly a number of recommended specialisms appear based upon those filters. The client then has the opportunity to view all of our specialisms and add more. They can snapshot this or compile detailed information in an auto-generated PDF brochure. It's a groundbreaking innovation that will stand us ahead of our field. How we describe ourselves to the outside world is of critical importance. In our 2020 vision, we explain our mission to reclaim engineering. And this will remain as our internal guiding principle and motivation. But externally, we want to position ourselves with a market-relevant offer and with it lead our charge across all of our communications. And it's this: we make the vision viable. Deceptively simple but powerful, this statement positions us as the challenges-accepted engineering practice. We are not afraid to discuss any challenge. But can we live up to this promise? Yes, because by examining the problem from 4 angles, structural, economic, environmental or social, we will find a way in. Note too, this statement doesn't stipulate whose the vision is: the clients, the architects, EMEA's, or even our own. Whatever the challenge, at Buro Happold Engineering, we make the vision viable. We are now restructuring and redesigning our communications to move us from a print design base with a reliance on wordy texts to one of digital interactivity, emphasising quick-to-assimilate pictures and captions which encourage greater engagement. One challenge we have accepted in marketing is to reveal our engineering, which is so often hidden or overlooked. As an example, here is a mock-up of a new sector brochure. We begin with a question and then work through 5 short, click-through case studies that represent a spread of projects we want to highlight. Rollover buttons reveal the engineering concepts, drawing the viewer through the brochure. At the back is a map loaded with links to all of our project sheets for that sector. In this way, we leverage all of the work that currently sits hidden on Magellan. A truly exciting development. We are also expanding the range of our communication tools. Beyond sector brochures, capability statements and project sheets, We will have thought leadership pieces, white papers, and case studies. These case studies will showcase key projects with an interactive brochure, client endorsement, infographics, and for some, a video. As we move to a base of digitised assets, it makes sense to bring our website in-house for better responsiveness and less expense. That all sounds very practical, but being able to create a new generation, inspirational website, a destination for engagement and conversation that puts us ahead of the industry curve is where the real opportunity lies. So here is a preview. Confident, rich in imagery, easy to navigate and search, the design presents a fresh experience. It's where our Engenuity tool will be hosted and our project pages will be held in the Projectory. But the key is to boost engagement and start relationships. Anyone can view the site, but for a deeper experience, visitors can log in with their LinkedIn details. This enables a good deal of personalisation. Users can comment on our projects or build subject lists to follow. It will encourage engagement at all levels, from prospects and advocates, job seekers and alumni, and most importantly, you. It's a thrilling leap forward for Buro Happold that will change the game in the industry and enable you to add your voice to the amazing projects you work on. Lastly, and of vital importance, we are refocusing on our internal communications. Critical to our success and the connectedness that we have discussed is Magellan. It is, and will become more so, the bedrock of our internal communications. But it needs a strategic overhaul tied into our email use and editorial practices. A redesign will enhance usability. There will be a permanent place to view current leadership subjects entitled Our Business and a more useful personal area, Your Space. Improvements include new page templates, better navigation, a video repository, and the expansion of communities, just one of the subjects we are working on with Human Resources, along with our employee brand and alumni programs. We hope you're excited about all of these initiatives. You can view them in more depth after this session. They signal a new vitality for our brand and ultimately our business.